Hey, it's Jade. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm so excited, but I'm really excited. For what reason, I do not know, but just bear with me here. So today I have coming at you a nice little quick video, 14 minutes, a little something, something that, my makeup routine that I do in college, you know what I'm saying, but I'm on break right now, so I'm getting this video up to you so that I can put out more content, when I get back, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, today you're just going to watch me put on makeup, and this is the usual routine that I do in college, not every day, because who has time to wear makeup every day, because I know I don't. Girl, sometimes I even miss my 8 a.m., but we're not even going to talk about that anyway. So enjoy watching me put on makeup, because for real, for me, it's like really therapeutic, because I just get to sit there and just like apply makeup, it's just mad therapeutic. I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but yeah, what you saw me do is put on some Vaseline for my lips, because we cannot be chapped out here. You know what I'm saying? We can't let our enemies let us see us out here chapped. So we put on some Vaseline on the lips. We put on some Fenty primer, because Fenty always gets us right. Now, of course, when I'm going out, my baby girl, when I go out, I gotta step out. So this isn't the makeup routine that I do when I'm going out, because when I go out, I'm stepping out. And when I step out, you know what I'm saying? I step out, okay? So this isn't the makeup routine that I do when I'm going out. I can show you that at a later date, to be determined when I can show you that. But I will be showing you that soon or later, so stay tuned. But yeah, this, you saw me put on 356 Fit Me foundation, because that's my favorite drugstore foundation. I only put it on the outsides of my face. I don't put it everywhere, because I don't got time for that. Yeah. I put it on the outside of my face. I put it on my chin. I put it under my eyes. And then I put a little bit on my forehead. And then, I beat my face with a Real Technique sponge, because it be getting me right. I just be looking right. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to just let y'all watch that. And then I'm going to come back in when I'm doing another step. So yeah, enjoy the video. If you haven't already subscribed, you already know what to do. Subscribe to the Fam Bam. Follow me on social media if you haven't already. It's going to be in the description box like always. If you haven't already checked out all of my videos, then you know what you need to do next. And yeah, I'm going to come in when the next step is ready. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in like 5 seconds.
Fresh Boys on the track.
Okay, so right here, I'm just taking the Benefit WhatsApp highlighter and I'm just putting it on my nose because I like to look like really cute when I have highlighter. I don't know, it's something about highlighter that makes me happy. So like I'm putting it like the corners of my eyes, on my nose, yeah, places where you put highlights. So that's where I'm putting that.
Fresh boys on the track.
Okay, so right here, I'm just taking eyeliner and just making the moles that I already have redefined because when I put the foundation over them, they kind of get lost in the sauce, if you know what I mean. So I'm just redefining the moles that I have. And yeah, because I like my beauty marks or moles or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, I like them. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here.
Fresh boys on the track.
Back again. Um, yeah, so I like my lips to look mad glossy because like I don't know, like I just think they look like just juicy, like appealing, like you know what I'm saying? So I like my lips to look mad glossy. So I put on the lip injection extreme by Too Faced because I like it makes your lips tingle, right? And it's supposed to plump your lips, but you know, I don't even know if I be seeing the difference or not because I don't be clocking it. Like I don't really watch it to know if there's a difference. But I just like the gloss that it gives, and because it's not sticky for real. And yeah, I like to put that on my lips, and then I just put my Fenty Gloss Bomb in the center because it just gives that extra like shimmer and like oomph, like because I'm just like ooh, a glossy lip just like yes child. But then you see me spray my face with water because I like to stay hydrated, you know what I'm saying? So I just hydrated it right quick and then I fanned it down because if you fan it down, it makes your makeup last longer. So, yeah, quick little tip for you. And now I'm priming my eyelashes with this primer from L'Oreal Voluminous. Yeah, from L'Oreal Voluminous. So that's what I'm doing there. And it's really good if you want to make your eyelashes thicker. Yeah, so if you want to make your eyelashes thicker, then get a primer and yeah, do your thing. Cause like, watch when I put on black mascara, my eyelashes gonna look fleeky. Okay, people always ask me all the time when I put on and I respray my face just so that my eyelashes aren't super dry, like they're a little bit moist. So a lot of people ask me, do I wear false eyelashes? And it's no, because I can never get it right. Like no matter what I do, I could never put on false eyelashes because I don't know, like I be trying, y'all. I be trying, but it just never works. Like, so I stick to mascara, but people do always be asking me, like, you don't got false eyelashes? I'll be like, no, just mascara, baby. But yeah, so the mascara that I'm using is L'Oreal Voluminous. Um, I don't really like the brush on this mascara, but it does what it's supposed to do. Like, it does its job. My favorite is L'Oreal Telescopic, but they didn't have it when I went to the store that day. So, I had to make do with what I had to do, you know what I'm saying? So, watch me make my ugly mascara face while I'm putting on my mascara. But just, like, look at how thick they look. Do you see how thick they look? Like, they just look thick. And I put on about 2 coats because I like them thick. Like, I just like to look like, you know what I'm saying? Like, eyelashes just transform you. Like, if I had to pick, like, one makeup thing, it would probably be mascara because they just, like, I don't know, it gives me life. Like, I don't know. Like, so you can see me going there with my second round, trying to perfect them. I like when they look thick, but also, like, spread out, if you know what I mean. Like, and now I'm using a different mascara because I like to layer. This is the Last Sensational by Maybelline. And you see, just, like, look at the eyelashes, like, girl. I'm in love. I'm in love. And I know I would be even more in love if I knew how to put on false eyelashes, but see, here's the thing. I don't want to fall in love with them because that means I got to keep buying eyelashes and all that, and I'm not really with that right now at this moment in time. But when the time will come, it will come. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to rush it. Anyway, this is probably the longest step in my makeup routine because I just like my lashes to look fleeky, like always, always. Yeah, so we're about to be getting into the last little end of these clips right here when my makeup is complete. It doesn't usually take this long. I think it was because I didn't have all my makeup set out like I usually do, but yeah, it doesn't usually take this long to do my makeup. Probably like 10 minutes, that's about it. So, yeah, the makeup is done. This is what I usually do, not on a daily basis, but maybe like 3 times a week. Oh, and my hair was looking fleeky. Like, look at that. Look at the color. Look at the style, the bounce. Like, everything was just fleeky, but you know what I'm saying? I can't live that life anymore because, curly gang can't straighten my hair. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video, and I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Mwah!